Well, to be honest. Used to express sincerity or a candid opinion. Well, to be honest, I haven't given that much thought. Well, to be honest, I prefer reading books over watching movies. Actually, I have never thought about that before, but it indicates that the question is new or unexpected, but you are willing to consider it. Actually, I have never thought about that before, but I suppose I would choose the beach over the mountains. Actually, I have never thought about that before, but I think I would enjoy learning a new language. Let me see. A filler phrase used while thinking about your response. Let me see. I believe my favorite subject in school was biology. Let me see. I usually spend my weekends hiking or reading. I would like to talk about. It introduces the topic you plan to discuss, especially useful in part 2 of the speaking test. For example, I would like to talk about a memorable trip I took last year. I would like to talk about my favorite hobby, which is painting. That's an interesting question. Acknowledges the question and provide a moment to think. Example, that's an interesting question. I think technology has both positive and negative effects on society. That's an interesting question. Perhaps the most challenging part of my job is managing time effectively. As far as I'm concerned. Used to express your personal opinion. As far as I am concerned, reading is the best way to relax. As far as I am concerned, cities offer more job opportunities than rural areas. To be honest. Used to express sincerity or frankness. To be honest, I don't watch much TV these days. To be honest, I find cooking quite stressful. From my perspective. Expresses your own view on the topic. From my perspective, education is the key to success. From my perspective, technology has made life much easier. Well, in my opinion. Another way to give your own opinion. Well, in my opinion, dogs make better pets than cats. Well, in my opinion, it's important to learn a second language. I suppose. A modest or polite way to offer an opinion. I suppose it depends on the situation. I suppose you could say I'm a morning person. To tell you the truth. To show you are being honest and direct. To tell you the truth, I don't really like shopping. To tell you the truth, I'm not very good at cooking. I guess. A casual way to give a quick opinion or answer. I guess I would choose the mountains over the beach. I guess it's important to have a balanced diet. I believe. To share your belief or strong opinion. I believe that everyone should have access to education. I believe that teamwork is essential for success. In my experience. You are sharing something you have personally done or observed. In my experience, taking breaks helps me stay focused. In my experience, learning a language is easier when you practice every day. Generally speaking. Used to talk about something in a broad sense. Generally speaking, people prefer to live in cities for work opportunities. Generally speaking, I think most people enjoy music.